Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about mathematics paper 2B for inter second year students. In this video we will put a light on entire paper, what are the changes this year that is brought by IPE board, and we will also see the more option that is given for section B and section C. Let us start the video. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. In this video, at the same time, I am going to discuss about you the chapter wise weightage of this paper. So if you see section A, there is no changes. Chapter wise weightage is same, whatever be the weightage in 2020, the same chapter wise weightage for 2021 also. But there is a slight changes in section B and section C for SAQs and LAQs. There are so many changes in the chapter wise weightage. Let us see the first one. The first question is from circles. Second question is from circles. Third question is from system of circles. Fourth question is from parabola, and the fifth question is from the hyperbola. Sixth and seventh question is from indefinite integration, and 8th and 9th from definite integration. 10th is from differential equation. Let us see the section B, the very important session. There are 50% more option is given this year by IPE board. Let us see the 11th question is from circles. 12th is also from the circles. 13 is from system of circle. 14 and 15 is from ellipse. 16th one is from hyperbola. 17 and 18 is from definite integration. There is no SAQs this year for indefinite integration. 19 and 20 for differential equations. Let us go to the section C, very important session for 7 marks. This section C also there are 50% more option given by BIE. 21 to 30 questions are given. Let us see from which chapter they are asking you these questions. Circles 21, 22, 23. These 3 questions is coming from circle. Normally last year they asked only 2 questions from circles, but this year they might ask, or they may ask you 3 LAQs as the BIE has introduced its paper. Maybe they will ask 3 LAQs this year from the circle. 24th system of circles. This year they are asking LAQ from system of circle. Last year they didn't ask any LAQs from system of circles. 25th is from parabola. Parabola, very important chapter. Last year also they asked one LAQ from parabola. And 26th and 28 is from indefinite integration. This time 3 LAQs are coming from indefinite integration, and circle also 3 LAQs indefinite integration. Please don't leave this chapter. These chapters are very important, circle and indefinite. If you want to get 35 marks, means practice indefinite integration and circles. And definite integration 1 LAQ 29th. 30 is from differential equation, that is for same. This is brief about chapter wise weightage of all the entire paper of 2B. For the students to get maximum marks, I clarify that how the BIE has brought many changes in SAQ and LAQ session, as a chapter wise weightage is also more. If you practice those chapter which I said in this, definitely you will get 75 out of 75 marks in 2B paper. Be smart, practice each and every paper. Before ending my talk, I would like to tell you a quote, the greatest given by the greatest person and the personality, that is Swami Vivekananda. He said, believe in yourself, don't believe that you are weak. All powers is within you. You can do anything and everything in this world. Believe in yourself, don't believe that you are weak. I am ending my talk. I request my students and those who are watching my videos, I request you, please share it with your friends, and share more and more with your friends, and give the likes to our videos. This is a great appreciation that is given by any other student to the teacher. Thanks for watching.